いらっしゃいませ、こんにちは。何名様でございます？2名様です。じゃあ、席をこちらにどうぞ。荷物はですね、こちらにお願いします。後ほどお伺いいたしますので、少々お待ちください。
Those trees look like they're filled with pink birds.
You know, I've actually never seen a pink bird.
No, you wouldn't have.
Well, I might have. Just because you say I haven't doesn't prove anything. Well, anyway, let's get something to drink. すみません。
はい。
日本酒2つください。
日本酒2つです。ボトルで。はい。わかりました。はい。こちらの方ですごい。ビール2つで。
ありがとう。
ください。
You know, it's really a simple operation. You won't mind, I know you won't mind it at all, but it's really not anything. And I'll be with you the whole time, and it'll all just be perfectly natural.
And what will we do afterwards?
We'll be fine afterwards, like we were before.
What makes you think that?
Well, because so many people have done it that I know.
Yeah, so do I. And afterwards, they're all just so happy.
They clearly were. I mean, they went ahead and got rid of it. I mean, that's just what we need to do. It'll be the best thing for us.
And you really want to do this?
I do.
Okay. So then if I do this, you'll be happy and things will be like they were before and you'll love me.
I love you now. You know I do.
I know, but if I do this, things will be nice again. And if I say that things are like pink birds, you'll like it.
I'll love it. I always have.
And if I do this, you won't ever worry again.
You know how I get when I worry. Just not the same.
Fine. Then I'll do it. Because I don't care about me.
Wait, what do you mean?
I don't care about me.
Well, I care about you.
Okay. Yeah, but I don't care about me. And then I'll do everything and it'll be all fine.
Of course everything will be fine. I mean, it's the best thing for us to do.
And we could have all this. We could have everything every day. We mess it up.
What did you say?
I said we could have everything.
We can have everything. We can go anywhere.
No, we can't.
We can have the whole world.
No, we can't. It isn't ours anymore.
It is ours.
No, it isn't. And once they take it away, you can never get it back.
But they haven't taken anything away.
We'll wait and see.
Hold on, calm down. You really don't feel that way.
Excuse me?
Look, I don't want you to do anything that you don't want to do. I'd still be perfectly fine with going through with it.
Doesn't it mean anything to you? We could get along.
Of course it does. But I don't want to do anything that you don't want to do. It'll still be perfectly simple.
Yes, it'll still be perfectly simple.
It's all right for you to say that, but I do actually know.
Would you do something for me now?
Look, I'd do anything for you.
Would you please stop talking?
I don't want you to. I don't care about it.
I'll scream. What did he say?
Train's coming in 5 minutes. I guess I better get the bags ready.
Okay then. When you come back, we'll finish the drinks.
Yeah. So, do you feel better?
I feel fine. There's nothing wrong with me. I feel